Welcome. In this class, we are going to discuss the microwave setup bench using the horn antenna. Here the signals are generated and is transmitted through the input horn, and we are going to receive at the output side. How we are receiving the signal is going to be measured. Okay. Here the same. Switch on the Klystron power supply and generate the signals, and it travels to the isolator, frequency meter and the slaughter lines, and here the input signal that is transmitted to this particular horn. Okay, now we are receiving the signal from this horn antenna. Okay, we have to measure the signal by in the CRO screen. For that, we have to connect the another horn antenna, that is the rotating movable horn antenna, in the output side. That you can see from here. It is with the angles. You can see from the scale. We have the various scales. Here we have the circular scale to measure the angles. In that scale, we have to place this horn antenna at the 0 degree position. Okay. Now we have placed the antenna at the 0 degree position. Okay. Now the signals receiving from the input horn antenna reaches the output part of the horn antenna, that is the movable horn antenna. This is the pyramidal horn antenna. Okay, this will transfer. Now how we are going to measure this? Signals received by the movable horn and pyramidal horn antenna, and we have connected here the detector mount with a probe to the CR. This other end of the probe is connected to the CRO. We will be receiving the signal. What the task here is, how we have to measure means, first we have to check for the signal at the 0 degree. Then slightly, here we get the almost high strength of the signal just by rotating it in the clockwise. You can see from here some of the signals will be get entered into the free space and some will be received. So the strength will be low. Again clockwise. So you can take 4 readings in clockwise directions, and now again come to 0 position, and here from here we can take the other 4 readings in the anti-clockwise directions. Just you have to measure the signal range, how it varies by changing the angle of the placement of the horn antenna. To measure the dB sections, we have to use the VSWR meter. Thank you.